In this video, we'll show you how to enable integrated graphics, iGPU, in addition to a discrete GPU, DGPU, in Windows. For example, if you want to connect 5 monitors but your discrete GPU only has 4 ports, you'll need to enable the iGPU to connect the 5th monitor. As you can see, all the ports of the discrete GPU are connected. Fortunately, you can use both the ports on your graphics card and the motherboard simultaneously, but this setup depends on whether your motherboard and BIOS support enabling both the iGPU and DGPU at the same time. First, restart your computer and press the designated key to enter the BIOS. Check your motherboard's manual for specific instructions, as the steps to enable the iGPU vary by manufacturer. Once you locate the setting, change it from disabled to enabled. This allows your motherboard's HDMI port to function alongside your dedicated graphics card. After enabling the iGPU, connect your 5th monitor to the HDMI port on the motherboard. In Windows Display Settings, you should now see all 5 monitors listed if everything is set up correctly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.